Red Bull KTM have announced that Jeffrey Herlings will be missing the opening round of the 2025 FIM MXGP Championship in Argentina on March 2nd, and that is due to a, well, right ACL injury. The release saying, quote, Herlings is working towards a competitive return to motocross action and through the final stages of rehabilitation after surgery to repair a torn ACL. Now, this happened in October of 2024 at Valkenswaard. Valkenswaard? I'm butchering that probably. And you gotta say, it sucks. I mean, you think how incredibly fast Jeffrey Hurlings is. And as I'm gonna be biased here, I wish we had gotten him to come over and race on the US. You know, did the Prado thing 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. Got to see him and like peak Eli Tomac and that whole generation of racers go together. That would have been absolutely incredible. Honestly, still would love to see him come over here and race, even if he's not at the peak that he was. I mean, age is age, but you have to say too, the amount of injuries that he's sustained, the amount of time he's had off the bike just in the last 3, 4 years is a lot of foot injuries, a lot of time, and just, it sucks. And he did have his own quote in this saying, We're looking good. I can do everything aside from ride the bike. I can cycle, swim, cross train, and it should only be a few more weeks until we are back to the normal plan. 2024 wasn't a great season, but it was decent. We'd made a lot of races, come close to the MXGP championship, won a few GPs, and had something like 15 podiums at the end. I wanted to be strong coming into this year, so having this setback was not good, but what I can hope for now is a successful second part of the championship. It was a weird injury because there was not much pain after surgery, but it takes time to recover. I want to ride as soon as possible and join the rest of my Red Bull KTM factory racing team, but we just need to wait a little longer. I really want to race again. Obviously, hopefully this is. You can miss a round or two or whatever. You can race the rest of the year in health. That's always the hopeful, knock on wood. You never want to see anybody get hurt. You especially don't want to see like these guys who are at the top end of it because they're the ones who really do have the championship chances. I don't know you want to call it. I mean, obviously, you need the privateers, and the privateers are the guys who fill in everything, and you got to give it to them for racing as hard as they do with non-factory equipment, non-factory support, and you know, filling in the 20th through 40th or whatever. But the guys at the top are the ones that everyone goes to see. They're the big draws, the fan favorites, whatever it is, and they're the ones who are racing for the championship. And if you see guys like Herlings who have to deal with just injury after injury after injury, and how many years and how much time he spends uh, just recovering from all this, it sucks. So hopefully, knock on wood, he can miss a round two, whatever it's going to be, and then come back and actually put in a good season, stay healthy, and go from there. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you watch MXGP? Are you only an American motocross or supercross fan, or whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.